Hi guys, my name is Reggie, Chief Technician and Master Detailer of Mafra, Italy. This is my colleague Ali, and in this video we're going to show you all about Mafra clay. So the reason we created this clay is that in some cases, when you pre-wash a decontaminated car, you cannot get all the contamination off. And in this case, you use a clay. Clay can be used for various reasons. Burnt oil, industrial pollutions, resins, gnats, anything that cannot be chemically removed from the car needs to do physically. How that works, let me show you in a minute. Take the clay bar out of the package, twist. So you have a small piece, because it's just like gum. This size, you make a small pancake, follow me to the car. Now if you hear, and you can hear that there is so much contamination on the car. So contamination you can feel, all to be removed with the clay. Wet the surface with the fast cleaner, that will help as a lubricant. Put the clay onto the surface and just go back and forth. Apply no pressure whatsoever. Make sure the surface keeps being lubricated. Now the reason you use this product is when you have the surface completely clean, you will save 25% of polishing time because you're actually starting polish to clear coat immediately. If you skip this step, you saw the amount of contamination that was still on the car. So when you remove everything with the clay bar, you will speed up the polishing and compound process tremendously.